What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to join any specific server inside a Roblox experience on your PlayStation console. And yes, this works on both PS5 and PS4. For this tutorial though, we're going to be using the PS5. Now, as you may already know, you can't really create or join a private server directly on PlayStation. If you open up any experience, you're not going to see a servers tab anywhere on the screen. And the reason for this is simple. Roblox wants to keep the PlayStation version more kid-friendly, and allowing private servers makes that harder to control. And that's why PlayStation restricts this feature. And it's also one of the reasons why Roblox still isn't available on Nintendo consoles. But here's the good news. This doesn't mean you can't join a private or specific server on the PS5. There's actually a very easy workaround that I'm going to be showing you guys right now. To do this, you're going to need two different Roblox accounts. The first one is your main account, and that's the one that you're currently logged in on your PlayStation. The second one needs to be on a different device, and this can be a mobile phone, an iPad, or a PC. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using mobile. As you can see, I'm logged into a different Roblox account on my phone. One important thing to note is I've already added my PlayStation account as a friend on this second account. If you haven't done that yet, just quickly add yourself as a connection. Now, on your mobile device, open up the experience you want to join. In this video, we're going to be using Grow a Garden. Scroll down and tap on servers. This is where you're going to see a full list of all available servers. Now, I've already created a private server for this specific tutorial, so I'm just going to join it using my mobile account. Once you're inside the game, tap this Roblox icon on the left hand corner, select invite connections, and you should see your PlayStation account listed right here. And all you want to do right now is just send an invite to your main account. Once this is done, go back to your PlayStation and simply accept the invitation, and you'll be joined directly into that specific server. Once you're in, you no longer need the second account and you can play normally from here on out. And that's pretty much it. That's how you join a specific server on Roblox using PS5 or PS4. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.